channel, and for today's vlog I'll be sharing with you guys a Saturday weekend trip to Sunflower Farm, and we will be going to IKEA as well, hopefully. And yeah, it's just a spontaneous trip with my friends, and it's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and nagmamadali na ako kasi kaka-message lang sa akin half an hour ago na aalis kami. So I just got ready, and yeah, I'll see you guys a bit later. So ayan, I'm just waiting for Moy to pick me up. And while waiting, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, please click on the subscribe button, leave me a thumbs up, and of course, click on the bell button down below for more of my upcoming videos. And I hope you'll enjoy the rest of my vlog. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye! Yeah! In Barlow Sunflower Farm here in Chesterfield. It's a beautiful day out with friends. The entrance fee costs about £3 each person, and if you want to pick sunflower, that will be £1 per stem. And yes, so let's enjoy the rest of the day. We're in the sunflower farm today. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa Chesterfield. Hi, vlog! Welcome to my guys! We're going to queue and try the duyan. What's duyan in English? Swing.
Hello!
Hi,
Welcome to her vlog!
Burned out na din ang mga sunflower. Burned out na din sila. Sis is tired. Sis needs sleep.
Sadie! Sadie! Nandito yung lolo mo!
Sadie!
Gawag! Sadie!
Nang natatanaw nyo dito, sa kanya yan, ay hindi
Sa amin.
I'm a nerd.
Nandito po kami sa sunflower field kasi mahirap pag Tagalog.
Hello, sino ka?
Sino ka din?
Burn out, okay? I'm a nurse, of course. I'm a nurse.
Parang ganito. Charis.
This is me before the 12-hour shift.
This is me before the 12-hour shift. This is me after a 12-hour shift. O, di ba naman kayo? Very mindful. Patay naman na yan.
Pero nakasmile pa rin siya. So, for today's video,
For today's video, smile lang ng smile. Kahit burned out ka na.
Becky!
Heidi! Ang mga kandik sa bukid! Heidi, ang mga kandik sa
And so we got hungry, so we're heading to IKEA for our lunch/tea. And gutom na kami by this time, so we'll try their meatballs. And let's go!
Welcome to my vlog!
Hi, hero. Oh, is it good?
This is very good.
Oh, nagsha-shopping na kami, pero wala pong laman yung bag na. Wala pong laman yung trolley namin. Oh, naligaw na po kami. Naligaw na po kami. Hindi po namin alam saan yung exit. Oh, naligaw na. Hi, hero.
I have a weapon. I have a weapon.
Say hi to my vlog.
I got a weapon.
It's not a weapon. It's a fork.
Are you
Spell
sure?
fork.
F-O-R-K.
Perfect.
Are you sure this is not a weapon?
It's a weapon for eating. Weapon for champions. Champion eaters. So yeah, it's what? 7:45 and I just reached home. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako for today's video. Very ano lang siya, spontaneous trip with my friends. They just messaged me at lunchtime and I was still in bed, and then sabi na, Monique, let's go! Are you free? And I'm like, yeah, let's go to the sunflower farm. So ayan, kakauwi ko lang. And sobrang busog ko because we had our tea in IKEA sa may Nottingham. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I bought. So ayan, what I got from IKEA are 3 gravies. Ito kasi siya, it tastes like Jollibee gravy. I don't know why, kung anong meron. I tried to make my own gravy, but hindi ko nakukuha yung lasa ng Jollibee gravy. But the IKEA one, so good. That's why I bought 3. And also, the meatballs. So, ito, Swedish meatballs. And, baan ko yung siguro to for the whole week or 2 days. Pero, masarap siya, guys. So, I also just bought it for my own happiness. And, yeah, I really had so much fun, as you could probably see sa aking vlog. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.